It's time to add a little smoke to the equation with today's cocktail. And warning, today we're playing with fire. It's December and in my house, it means it's time for holiday cocktails. And I'm making you 25 straight days of cocktail videos to get you ready for any upcoming holiday party or to add an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holiday season. And if you enjoy these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop one, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. And for day 20, I'm making you the Campfire Mule. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, I need a bourbon whiskey, and I love using Bullet for these drinks. Additionally, I'll need lemon juice, maple syrup, and it wouldn't be a mule without ginger beer. And I'll be garnishing this drink with toasted marshmallows. And the tools I need are a mixing glass, a Hawthorne strainer, and a stirring spoon. And I can't smoke this drink without some kind of smoker. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with a rocks glass, I'll set my smoker on top and fill it with smoke. While I let that sit, I'll build my drink in a mixing glass. Add 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Now add 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. Next, add 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Add ice to the mixing glass and stir for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now take the smoker off the glass and gently drop that ice cube in and strain everything into the glass. Now pour 4 ounces of ginger beer on top. And garnish with 2 large marshmallows. And I kiss it with that flame. And there you have it, the Campfire Mule. Cheers. Okay, so this is like a smoky Kentucky mule, but there's a twist. Something about whiskey and maple syrup and lemon that just really go well together. And putting that ginger beer on top, I'm not sure if that really makes this drink extra special, but it's definitely fun. And don't get me wrong, I love my mules. But if I'm gonna make a smoked drink, I really feel like I should just make a smoked old fashioned because something about the smoke and the ginger beer just feel wrong, but it's good. That's my opinion. I'd love to hear your opinion. And in the comments, let me know, would you try this drink? And additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week and the support means a lot. But until next time, cheers.